Welcome to Playa Las Lajas, a peaceful stretch of Pacific coastline in the province of Chiriquí in Panama. This beach is known for its incredible length, over 13 kilometers of soft sand and gentle waves. Even on weekends, it feels like you can have it all to yourself. Here, the rhythm of the ocean shapes everything it touches, including the pieces of driftwood that wash ashore. Driftwood begins as trees, branches, or logs, carried by the rivers or tides into the sea. Over time, salt water, wind, and sun transform them, softening the edges, bleaching the wood, and creating smooth, sculptural forms. Every piece tells a story of storms survived, of currents traveled, and journeys across oceans. Some driftwood may have traveled from distant forests. Others may have come from nearby mangroves or fallen trees along the coastline. What remains is nature's artwork, delicate and weathered, strong yet beautifully worn. Walking along Playa Las Lajas, you'll often find these quiet treasures resting in the sand, silent witness to time, tide, and the slow work of nature. There's no rush here, just waves, wind, and the occasional whisper of a breeze through the palms. This is Playa Las Lajas, a place to breathe, to slow down, and to see beauty in the simple and the weathered. Thank you for watching. If you ever find yourself in Chiriquí, take a walk along the shore. You'll never know what stories the tide will bring.